Zelextia, and I'm going to show you how I get a fade-in transition effect thing using ToonBoom Harmony. For this demo, I'm going to be using my name in my logo design. So first, I'm going to move my little slider to be in the frame that I want to start my transition on. Then I'm going to go to my node library and look for this transition effect. If it does not appear in your favorites, you can just go search it in the search bar and it should also appear there. So I'm just going to drag and drop it into my node library. From there, you're going to unplug the node that you want to have the effect into the transparency node, and then you're going to drag the transparency node and connect it to the composite. Once you've done that, click on this yellow square to get this pop-up, and then where this arrow is, click the arrow and say create and ease. After you do that, this little squiggly line, click on the squiggly line. And you can also set your frame here. For me, it's going to be 54. And because I'm doing a fade in, I'm going to set my transparency value at 100. Because 100 means it's at full transparency, full invisibleness. And then you can take your slider and click on the frame that you want your transparency effect to end. For me, it's going to be 120. Click the blue squiggly line again and type in 0 or however how much opacity you want your transparency effect to have. And as you can see, it has created little keyframes there. And so now you have your transparency effect. Now if you wanted a fade out, you can just reverse the numbers. So go to the frame that has it, and then instead of 100 here, you type 0 for this one, and then on this one you type 100. And so this time it would give a fade out effect. And then of course, if you wanted to add any more fun fade ins, just click on the frame, go to the yellow square, and add in any number you would like. So if I wanted 100 here, and then maybe on this frame over here, I'd want 9 or something to just play around, and then you can see the whole effect just. And so yeah, that is how you get a transparency fade in fade out effect using ToonBoom Harmony. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching.